Hello students, welcome to the SPI online class of class 6 English 2. We are going to start section 2 chapter number 1 of English grammar and composition. We will discuss today about diminutives. What are diminutives? A diminutive is a word that has been modified to convey a slight degree of its root meaning, the smallness of the object or quality named, or to convey a sense of intimacy or endearment, affection or contempt. In many languages, formation of diminutives by adding suffixes is a productive part of the language. So, diminutives are smallness, affection, or contempt. Smallness. The word cat, and from cat we form a word kitten, that means baby cat. From the word duck we form duckling, that means baby duck. These are the example of smallness, baby child. We use the word dad, that means a father. Sometimes we call daddy. So from dad, adding suffix dy, we form word daddy. It is a sense of affection. Cigar. From cigar, the word comes cigarette. ETTE, adding suffix ETTE, sense of intimacy. From dog, doggy, here is a sense of endearment. From the word ankle, we form the word anklet. Here, anklet means ornament worn around ankle. From nurse, nursling, smallness. Globe, globules, smallness. Goose, we form the word gooseling, baby goose. Bird, birdie, a sense of endearment. So from nurse, nursling, globe, globule, these are the example of smallness. From goose, gosling, baby goose. Bird, birdie, it is a sense of endearment. From another examples from nose to nozzle, from babe to baby. So what do you have to do with diminutives? You should memorize the chart. You should memorize the chart very well. Read hard, read repeatedly the words and diminutives in the book, so that you will easily understand the diminutives. Okay? Thank you.